Hey guys, it's Wamsy with a 3D tutorial on Weeble Wobbles. Hopefully this helps anyone trying to do this pretty hard maneuver. So let's get into the maneuver. So we're going to take off left to right, pop the knife edge, pull around, and then we're going to start our upline by giving a little push. Okay, so now we're going on our upline, going to push over, start our stir, have the nose of the airplane basically following and going around the downline, and then we're going to roll out, and that's the maneuver. It's pretty quick, so I'm going to add some slow motion to help anyone that may have not seen exactly what I was doing there. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. Go to knife edge, push around. We're going to push to our upline. Going to come right around, then we're going to start the slow motion here, and now we're in our stir. So watch the inputs and how they're pushing the nose around the downline. I think the elevator is probably the most important, as it's doing a lot of the work. You really need to be comfortable with your rolling Harrier stick movements to do these correctly. So if you haven't mastered the rolling Harrier, that's what you should be working on. Also, exiting, I like to exit while doing a rolling Harrier. It just seems like if you know what you're doing, if you have the rolling Harriers down, this should be pretty simple, and you don't have to worry about, coming out at a certain altitude and angle. You just roll out. So now we're going to come in for a landing and go from the left. The left is a little bit different for me. Rolling to the left is not my specialty, so we're going to take off, go on our upline, then we're going to push over. I'm going to let the airplane roll, then do the stir. So now we're doing the stir. Same thing as going to the right. We're going to roll out and come down for a landing. The main difference there was that initial roll. I let the airplane roll a couple times. Let me just give my brain a split second to get ready for that stir, because the stir is not as natural for me, as I'm mostly rolled to the right. So we're going to take off again. We're going to add some slow motion this time. We're going to push the nose over here. I'm now going to let the nose get down, roll the airplane, then enter the stir. The stirring motion is definitely the most important part of this maneuver. Also, the way I like to think about it is you're rolling around the downline. So watch those elevator inputs, see exactly where they are. Hopefully the slow motion helps, and hopefully you'll be able to do this maneuver. Also remember, you've got to exit the maneuver somehow, so decide which way is most comfortable for you. I like rolling. You might fly out knife edge, you might fly out just straight and level, you might fly out inverted, just depends. So hopefully this video has helped you learn this pretty difficult maneuver. If you have any other questions, just hit me up on RC Groups. And other than that, see you guys later.